Hello friends. In today's video, we are going to talk about two very common LG TV problems. First, apps are not updating, and second, Bluetooth is not working. These problems happen quite often, and in this video, I'll guide you step by step with simple solutions. So stay tuned till the end. Step 1. Check internet connection. The very first thing to check when apps are not updating on your LG TV is the internet connection. Almost all smart TV apps depend on a stable internet to download and install updates. If the internet is disconnected, weak, or unstable, the updates may fail or stop midway. To verify the connection, press the settings button on your LG remote and navigate to network status. Here you will see whether the TV is connected to the internet or not. If it says connected via Wi-Fi or connected via Ethernet, the TV is online. If it shows disconnected, the internet is not working on your TV. To fix this, restart your Wi-Fi router by turning it off for 30 seconds and then switching it back on. Reconnect your TV by going to Settings, Network, Wi-Fi Connection. If possible, use an Ethernet cable, as wired connections are more stable than Wi-Fi. You can also move the router closer to the TV or use a Wi-Fi extender to improve the signal. Another solution is to change the DNS settings by going to Settings, Network, Advanced Settings, DNS Server, and entering 8.8.8.8 Google DNS. For example, if YouTube fails to update due to slow Wi-Fi, restarting the router and connecting via Ethernet usually fixes the problem immediately. Step 2. Update WebOS software. The next important step is to ensure that your LG TV's operating system, WebOS, is up to date. WebOS works like Android or iOS on your phone, and if it is outdated, many apps may stop updating or functioning properly because they require the latest software. To check for updates, press the settings button on your remote and go to All Settings, Support Software Update. Select Check for Updates, and if a new version is available, click Download and Install. Once the update is installed, restart your TV. Keeping WebOS updated ensures app compatibility, stability, and security. Additional tips include enabling auto updates so your TV always stays current, deleting unused apps if storage is full, and for older TVs, downloading firmware from LG's official website, saving on a USB drive, and updating manually. For instance, if Netflix shows an error during updates, installing the latest WebOS version usually resolves the issue quickly. Step 3. Clear cache and reinstall apps. If your internet connection and WebOS are fine, but apps still refuse to update, the problem could be due to corrupted or overloaded cache files. Cache is temporary storage that apps use to run faster, but when it becomes too large, it can cause glitches. To clear it, go to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps, choose the app, for example, YouTube or Disney+, and select Clear Cache or Clear Data. Restart the TV after clearing. If the problem continues, uninstall the app completely and reinstall it from the LG Content Store. This ensures that the latest version of the app is installed freshly without old corrupted files. To avoid similar issues, regularly delete unused apps to free up space. If several apps are failing together, performing a factory reset may be necessary as a last resort. For example, if Disney Plus refuses to update, uninstalling it and reinstalling from the Content Store usually restores normal function. Step 4. Fix Bluetooth not working. The last step addresses Bluetooth problems on LG TVs. Common issues include devices not appearing in the list, pairing failures, frequent disconnections, or audio lag. The first fix is to restart the TV, then go to Settings, Bluetooth. Select the paired device, and choose Forget Device. Put your Bluetooth device, such as headphones or speakers, into pairing mode and attempt to reconnect. If the issue persists, ensure that the Bluetooth device is compatible with your TV model. Disconnect other Bluetooth devices that may interfere, as too many connections can cause instability. If you experience audio delay, go to Settings, Sound, AV Sync Adjustment, and manually sync the sound with the picture. For stubborn issues, perform a power cycle by unplugging the TV from the wall for about 60 seconds and then plugging it back in. For example, if headphones fail to connect, forgetting the device and repairing it often solve the problem immediately. So friends, these are the quick and simple solutions for two common LG TV problems: apps not updating and Bluetooth not working. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides. Thank you for watching.